Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing a journal with me today in my Rooted in Hope journal. This is a journal from Cheaply Chic, and if you don't know who Cheaply Chic is, you must be completely new to my channel. So hi, I'm Crystal, and Cheaply Chic is, like, my thing is really shaking for some reason. Cheaply Chic is a Etsy shop, YouTube channel, and Facebook, Instagram, very dear friend of mine. Her name is Lynette, and she has been putting on these journals and does journals. It's been 2 years now since she's been doing these collections, and they are really super, they're very much in demand. So I am putting this out a little bit before she's putting out her journal collection. She said she was going to put out the journal collection on this day, July 10th. So if you are interested in getting something like this, then I would hop over to her channel right now and subscribe to it so that you can be notified when she does videos. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in and kind of start this process. I did kind of a really quick setup video in my last video that I had last week, but I did find some stuff that I wanted to include in here, and so I'm going to go ahead and add some stuff to kind of my setup. So I'm pretty sure that the journal collection, or the scrapbooking collection that she used for this journal this month, was this flower market, I think. Let's see if this piece of paper is in here. Yep, there it is. Okay. After she saw the haul video, she texted me, "Hey, that's the scrapbooking paper I'm going to use for my journal for this month." So I'm like, oh, I'm so glad I got it. So then I went and actually went to scrapbooking.com or someplace. I don't know exactly where I put it, but I also found the die cuts that went along with it. I just recently purchased this little die cut memory keeper die cut from We Are Memory Keepers from Tuesday Morning, and and I knew the die cuts would fit because they're nice and small. So I am like super excited for the die cuts. I love this little hoop one, so I'm super excited about that. And then I just went ahead and picked up the chipboard stickers, because why not? Why not? Kind of got it bent right here. That's not fun. So yeah, so I have kind of these pieces that I wanted to add to the collection. And then I also wanted to add, I definitely want to use the stamp. And then I also have a couple of these. There is some, this is a flower shop one from Dollar Tree. And I found a couple in here that I wanted to use. Like, I love this one. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that one. There was another one in here. I'm going to flip through. Oh, this one. Here we go. I really wanted to use this one. But then I also really like this image. I might just, no, I think I like this image. So yeah, so this is the flower. I wanted to use that one. Thought that would be cute. And then I kind of like that one too, but there's a couple in here that I like. Oh yeah, that one. This is the one. I like this one. And then it's not the only one. I kind of like that one too, but I don't know. And I kind of liked this one. I think I'll just leave this in my stack just in case I find anything else I like in there. And I think I flipped through these and I didn't really find anything in here I wanted to use. And one of the things that I did recently was I did the videos for my top 10 of 5. So I did top 10 of 5 different categories, and I had posted those videos all Fridays of last month. So one of the things that I said that I loved about one of my journals was that I used coloring pages in it. So yeah, so I'm really excited to pull these out and actually use these. There is quite a few of these in the collection, or in here, that are like a fruit theme, and there's a fruit theme next month. Well, technically it's this month. The one that's coming out today is like a fruit theme. So I think I'm going to pull some of those out of there as well and keep the kind of a running stock of those. So those are kind of some things I wanted to add to the collection. I also have these stickers that came from the Dollar Tree. I love this one right here. And yeah, so I might do a couple of these in here too. So I'm going to keep this in here as well. All right, so okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So I think I want this to be my front cover. I'm not sure. Actually, maybe the other one. Let's check the other one. Kind of think I want it to be like obvious that I want it to be a flower shop theme. Okay, that fits pretty good there. So let's do that. Okay, I'm just going to trace this really lightly just to see. Okay, I'm going to cut this. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this glued on here. My glue, I need a new glue, I need a new glue. I hope I have another glue. Oh gosh. Ooh, just scared myself. Okay. Totally just scared myself. All right, get this glued on. And then I thought what might be cute is to embellish with some of these stickers. I don't really need all of that stickiness. put this little flower shop there. And then maybe put the watering can. I'm just undoing the second layer on these because I definitely don't need that many layers. We'll set the watering can here on the sidewalk, kind of, little sidewalk. And then maybe put this little potted plant. And just take that one off altogether, and we'll just glue it. I need a new glue. I need a new glue, a new glue. Glue that kind of right in the front of those pots. And then let's see, maybe this one. Oops. Maybe that one can be in the picture too. In the picture too. In the picture too. In the picture too. Definitely gonna have to do a voiceover because I'm acting like a crazy person. Okay. All right, and then maybe we can put, I'm wondering, hold on. Oh, I'm gonna see what this one would look like right there. Actually, I think I might like this sign better. Oh yeah, I like that sign better. It adds some color. I'll save that one and use that again in a different page. Okay, let's see. I have a little, like, yeah, this little guy maybe. Nah, I don't like that. Okay, well, that's all I'm gonna do. I know this video is really random. I'm so sorry. It's kind of like all over the place, but I'm just having a really hard time kind of finding my mojo. I don't know. I think it's just everything going on. It's really hard. But anyway, that's here nor there. I will find my mojo and I will get this journal complete because this is my favorite thing to do. So yeah, so that's all I'm gonna do in this video. Again, sorry it's kind of random and all over the place, but I just wanted to kind of play, and thank you if you've stuck around this long and watched the video all the way through. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.